Hair extensions provide extra support and reassurance when dealing with harsh climates like the heat, wind and humidity, making every day a good hair day. Today, I'll be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply hair extensions. Before moving on to the tutorial, there are a few things to keep in mind. Choose the right length. You may want to grab the longest hair extension, but make sure you try it out before heading out, because if they're not the right length, they may end up looking really out of place. If you think that your extensions are really long, then you can cut them at home as well. For volume, choose a color which is the closest to your natural hair color. This makes blending the hair extensions super easy. Brush out the hair extensions before using. So these were a few tips that I wanted to share. Now let's get on to the process. Section your hair at the top of your ears. Make sure to use a clutcher. Leave enough hair on top so that it completely hides the extension. Attach the hair extension and then push it in gently using the clips. You can also attach the smaller pieces near the temples if you want, but that's completely your choice. Attach the smaller pieces near the temples. Apply hair serum to match the texture of the hair extension. Gently run your fingers through your hair to make sure the extensions blend in with your natural hair. It's super easy, takes about 5 minutes and gives you instant volume and length. Let me know if you find this video helpful in the comment section below. For any of your fashion, hair or beauty related queries, download the POPxo app and don't forget to subscribe to POPxo TV.